Hi everyone, I just wanted to go through the agenda and preview chapter 4 for you. So this is our module for Friday, October 23rd, as well as Monday, October 26th. And we are starting into chapter 4, okay? And this will be the very last thing in your quarter 1 notebook. When we start into chapter 5, we'll be in the second notebook that I had you pick up from the bookstore. You picked them up both at the same time. Maybe you just need to start looking for the quarter 2 one if you might have misplaced it. Today we're going to look at the following objectives for this part of chapter 4. We want to go and learn some basic vocab associated with a function. Not only what a function is, but kind of the words that support that concept. We want to then be able to determine if we are given either a table or a set of ordered pairs or a graph, is this indeed a function that we have? And then we're going to work on identifying two special parts of a function called the domain and range. Here's a look at the module for today. And you can see that it starts with quite a few video clips. And like always, what I've tried to do is, if you look here at the video clips right here, they are associated with the notebook pages in your notebook, but I've tried to break them down so that if you need a little bit of break in between, they're not very long segments, so you can go back and listen again or rewatch, whatever you need to do, or if you don't have time to do the whole lesson at once, it's broken up into 4 parts for you. Okay. If you then look below, there is a section of assignments. There's one here that's called You Try, and those are 2 pages in your notebook, and you can either, if you want to, you can try them completely on your own, and then I've embedded a video of the answers, of me going through the answers, or if you just want to get your notebook out and work through with me, you can do that, but it leads you through everything that'll be on these 2 Math Excel assignments. So it's just kind of a little bit of a bridge between, watching the videos up here and then doing the work here. This assignment here kind of helps you get there. Okay. So this will be due midnight. There's nothing to turn in for the You Try one, but these 2 right here you can see are due October 26th, and like I just have it set to be due at midnight, and those are our first 2 assignments in chapter 4. Okay, not going to have any Zoom sessions on Friday. We'll set Zoom sessions up for next week, but if you do have any questions, Canvas message me. I will be happy to answer them. Hope you all have a great weekend.